Financial peace isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you don't have to worry about. It's the second Sunday of March, tax season is in full swing, and if you're feeling that familiar anxiety creeping in, you're not alone. This is when the Sunday scaries hit different. It's not just Monday you're dreading, it's the pile of bank statements you haven't organized, the receipts you can't find, the vague dread of April 15th getting closer every day. Most people spend tax season in panic mode, digging through emails, scrolling through 12 months of transactions, trying to remember what that charge from last June was for. But it doesn't have to be this way. There's a growing movement called Frugal optimism, and it's changing how people think about money. Frugal optimism isn't about being cheap. It's not about cutting every expense and living on rice and beans. It's about being organized enough to feel rich. It's about knowing your numbers so well that looking at them feels good instead of terrifying. Imagine opening your financial dashboard and feeling calm, even excited, because everything is in its place. You know where your money went. You know where it's going. You're not guessing. You're not stressing. You're in control. That's the goal. And tax season is the perfect time to build that system. Here's the 10-minute tax prep reset. Step 1. Get every transaction in one place. No more digging through 5 different apps and 3 email accounts. Pull all your financial data into one view. See the full picture of your year. The Finance Reset Toolkit does this automatically. It organizes your transactions so you can see everything at a glance. Step 2. Categorize what matters. Not every expense is equal. Some are deductible. Some are business expenses. Some are just life. Go through your major categories. Income streams, business costs, medical expenses, charitable donations, anything that might affect your taxes. When it's categorized, your accountant loves you. Or, if you're doing it yourself, you actually know what you're looking at. Step 3. Breathe. This is the most important step. When your numbers are organized, tax season stops being scary. It becomes just another task. Check the boxes. File the forms. Move on with your life. No more April panic. No more Sunday dread. Just calm, organized finances. The Finance Reset Toolkit is built for this. It organizes your entire year so you're never scrambling. You see every transaction, every category, every pattern in your spending. And it's not just for tax season. Once your system is set up, you carry that clarity into every month. You become the kind of person who actually likes looking at their numbers. That's frugal optimism. Feeling rich because you're organized, not because you're spending more. The toolkit also includes a complete budget tracker, debt payoff planner, savings goal tracker, and a dynamic scenario planner that shows your financial future. Spring is the perfect time for a financial clean. Clear the clutter, organize the chaos, step into the rest of the year feeling light. Stop dreading your finances, start feeling calm about them. Link in the description for your spring financial reset. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.